Okay, sorry for the vertical video. I forgot my GoPro. I am on Lake Hartwell at my brother's house, and I am in his Pescador sit on top, which last time I was in this kayak, literally last September, I had a right broken ankle and had it basically elevated and extended, wrapped in duct tape and protected by a camp pillow as I paddled down the last remaining section of section 2 of the Chattooga. So anyway, thanks Pescador for getting me down section 2 of Chattooga in a difficult situation. I'm glad we had this sit on top. Hey guys, I'm in my brother's sit on top Perception Pescador 10. He loves this boat. We're on Lake Hartwell with it right now, but he's actually taking this down section 2 of the Chattooga River. And I just wanted to do a quick review of it and why he likes it so much. First off, being a sit on top and being very wide, it's super stable. It'd be very hard to flip this. So this is a great, any sit on top is a great beginner kayak. This boat also has a weight capacity of 325, and it's got really good storage. It's got a front hatch and then the rear compartment with the bungee, so it's got a lot of storage capacity. Great for river tripping and camping out of. Obviously he has added a rod holder. He does a lot of fishing, and it weighs about 57 pounds. Only downside of sit on tops is they are heavier. So this is just a really great kayak for small ponds, lakes, lazy rivers, coastal areas, and he's really enjoyed this so far. And I'll just kind of show you the stability of it. I mean, this thing, it's just, it's almost impossible to flip unless you went over a rapid or a rock that literally knocked you off balance. That would be the only way to tip this. This thing got me down the Chattooga River with a broken ankle. That's how stable this thing is.
Take a picture of your foot?
Yeah. So far so good. We've had several small rapids, but I've been able to run almost everything. I'm just hoping Earl's Ford isn't too much further. Let me just show you how it tracks right quick. I think they'll drift at all. So you can see it tracks very well, no drift whatsoever. You know, it's going to be a little slower. It's not the fastest boat. But it's not a, you know, 12, 14 foot sea kayak or lake boat. So it's a little bit slower to get started and a little slow to turn. But again, it's a big, heavy boat. But for a 10-foot sit on top, it tracks really, really well. So this is a great boat. He really loves it. And we'll show you some of the features of this kayak that he really likes.
They're so bad. Brothers are so bad. Brothers are so bad.
It's a lot heavier. That's all I gotta say. Woohoo! Oh man, that was a workout. Perception Pescador 10 sit on top. Let's see some of the features.
Yep. So these have molded handles, which I really like a lot because a lot of kayaks have the bolted on, which end up always getting stripped or ripped off or something like that. So real nice having those for carrying. This is a lockable dry storage, which holds tons of gear. Holds 8-foot long fishing rods all the way to the back. Did a 3-day camping trip down the Chattooga River. Not a drop of water got in there, so it's pretty awesome. It's got these awesome little bouncing rails right here for fishing rods, holders, GoPro mount right here, or you can put a GoPro here or any other accessory you want. Let's see, it's got 2 rod holders right here in the back. It's got a pretty soft and cushiony seat with adjustable straps. And then right here, it's got this little indention where you can unstrap this, put your paddle right there and keep it in place so you can be hands-free. And then my favorite part about the boat is just this huge amount of storage space in the back. I had 2, I think 50-liter dry bags back here, just
loaded down.
Packed down, probably 50 pounds worth of gear, and the boat was handled really well, and yeah, I couldn't be happier with it.
Okay, there is your hull, bottom of the hull, which you can see has got the grooves to help with the water tracking, the water channeling to improve tracking, plus the scupper holes, which most sit on tops have, and then a keel in the back with the skid plate on the very back of the keel if you do any short dragging.